So you set up your Blogger account, but now you need to get started. Right here is an arrow pointing at new blog. It says create your blog now. It's because you don't have any yet. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and click on it. We can add a title, and so we're going to say my first blog. Then we can add the address, and your address can be anything. A lot of people use the title as the address, but in this case, see this yellow exclamation point? That means we can't, so we're gonna just name it a little different. We'll just add Michelle. Right here, this check mark means that now it's good. Then we can choose a template, and it gives you several options. We can choose one now, and if we don't like it, we can always choose a different one later. So we're going to start with simple, because it is a simple view and it's really easy to work with to start. We're going to say create blog. So right here is my first blog. It gives us an option to immediately start posting. We can also dismiss it. Over here it also gives you some other options with your blog. Here's another way of creating new posts. This is a bunch of options such as an overview. You can see all your posts, including drafts, all your pages, all your comments, stats about how many people are looking at your blog, how many people are following it, and settings is a good place. So for example, if I decide later I want to get rid of it, settings is the place where I can also delete. So let's take a look at what our blog looks like. So this is your first blog. Up here you can change design, which is where you can change where things show up, what things look like, colors, backgrounds, that kind of a thing. Today we're just going to make a post. Go ahead and click on new post. So right up here is where we're going to put the title, and we're just going to say my first post. And down here in the box is where you add the text. So I've written in a little bit of text, and I'm talking about Blogger in my text. So if you want to include a link, you can just click this link button right here and type in the URL for what you're talking about, or you can just have copied it from where you'd brought it up and paste it in there. So there we go. It gives me an option to remove and change it and tells me what is there. So I like my first post, but I want to change the color. I like blue instead. This color right here allows me to change to what I like. I'm going to go ahead and publish it. See, I'm going to click on publish. So it brings up all my posts. So far just the one. Shows my first post. It gives me an option to edit, to view, or to delete it. So if later you decide you don't like your first post and you don't want anyone reading it, you can always get it off there. Let's go ahead and view what it looks like in my blog. That is how you make posts. You might also check other tutorials on changing designs and adding other features like pictures and videos. Enjoy your blog!